PSLE Maths, StudySmart. How to memorize math formulae for PSLE Math exams. Methods to memorize PSLE Math formulas. Success in PSLE Math begins with a solid understanding of formulas, which can be gained through consistent practice. Adding a picture to each arithmetic formula can help your child remember them. Seeking the help of an expert in mathematics is essential for those who are afraid of the subject's principles, formulas, and equations. Make sure your child is focused while learning the formulas. Use charts, whiteboards, or chalkboards to write down all the crucial formulas and place them in strategic places like your child's bedroom walls. The more they see the equations, the more likely they memorize them. Understanding the procedures for creating formulas can help your child remember them more easily. In addition to writing down all the formulae, revising them frequently during test preparation is also essential. Strategies to enhance your child's PSLE math proficiency. Connect math to real-life situations. Take your child to a store, ask them to pay the bill, and then collect the rest. These activities will help young people understand fundamental concepts that will be the foundation for more challenging and sophisticated topics. Teach students to use tables, graphs, and other key math ideas to move from one step to the next until they arrive at the correct solution. Use puzzles, quizzes, apps, and online activities to keep your child's enthusiasm for school alive during the early years. Practice on speed. Because PSLE exams are timed, speed is an important consideration. The average time for a student to answer 20 questions is 50 minutes, while the average time for a student to answer 30 questions is 40 minutes.